Okay, today we unbox this new Dell computer we got. It's the Inspiron 15 7000 series 2-in-1 model 7500. It's platinum silver. The display is a 15.6 touch display with webcam. It's an Intel Core i5 1035G1 processor, 12 gigabyte RAM, 512 gigabyte SSD, solid state drive, 32 gigabyte Optane. It's got an Intel graphics card, or it's in the motherboard. Windows 10 home version, comes with McAfee for 30 days. It's got an SD card reader, HDMI, USB Type-C. It's backlit keyboard, fingerprint reader. It's pretty much loaded up. They say it's a mid-range computer.
Of my computer that I'm just gonna use.
Okay, here we go. Looks like she's sealed.
It's hard to open.
Yep. I'll open this part.
I want to look at it first.
They really seal this up good. Have them put that on.
What does it say?
Take it out slowly. That's protection.
It is back there.
Hold on.
That's extra.
Warranty information.
I see it. I had the first look at the computer.
What color is it?
It's the silver.
Silver color.
That's white in there.
What else is inside the box? Get it out.
That's very extra.
There it is. Inspiron 15 7000 2-in-1. Quick setup. Just protection.
What's that?
It's the power cord. There it is. The box is empty. So this is what you get in the box. Audrey, put this
My
out.
computer
This is the charging unit.
is right
That's it.
there. You must open it.
You open this. There it is. Not much to it. Okay, so let's show the computer. Let me show it.
You open it.
Let me show it first. So it looks like. We'll open this now.
Open it.
No. They seal it pretty good.
Everything is hard to open in the package. Except this. I'm really on.
There we go. There's the Dell.
Oh,
There's some of the inputs. There's the charging.
shiny. My
HDMI.
new computer. Looks like yours.
USB.
The only thing that doesn't look like yours because the front looks so shiny with the metal. Put it down. Put it
Hold
down.
on, I want to look at this side. There's the SD card slot. Another HDMI.
I want to look at it.
Headset. The back.
I want to look at it.
They make them very simple these days. Pretty light.
Is it open?
Okay, so let's put it down.
I need the first look. Wow. Keyboards.
You can see the reflection. Okay, so
Keyboards.
this is the Inspiron 7500 2-in-1. Power. It's got a fingerprint reader.
It's fingerprint over here.
Yep. Where's the power button? Same place. Yep. Just push it.
Okay.
It's got webcam, privacy, shutter, mobile connect, DELL Cinema, active pen support, and of course the touch screen. Yeah, let me take over. It's got a number keypad, which most of them don't do, so the keypad is like big. Keyboard. That's a nice feature. Oh, there's the power right next to the fingerprint. They just barely fit that on there. That's strange.
What now?
Powering on. See that? It's just on the very edge. They just fit it in. This is the power button right here.
That?
And it looks like it has no juice.
No juice?
No power.
Oh, I said it was
Yep, that's the power button as you can see. But we're gonna have to plug it in and charge it.
Plug it.
Want to take that apart first? Let me show that first. Come on. No, it doesn't.
There it is.
Okay, we'll plug it in and turn it on.
It's not a new computer.
This right here plugs in right here.
Was right there.
Can't see it.
I'll use you, computer. I'll use you.
There we go.
I use this computer wherever I go. Look at that shine on this side. I like that. The white keys, I like that too.
Okay.
The only thing I don't like about this
Get
thing
this part open.
this.
This plugs into here. And that's it. We'll plug it in. Okay.
Okay guys, that's it. The unboxing for today.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
Oh, it's the other
A little
katana.
sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro.
Okay, this is the intro. Now we got to put all personal information in, passwords and Wi-Fi.